Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both devices so the connection is seamless. On your iPhone and Macbook, install any pending OS updates. This prevents weird compatibility issues. Once done, sign in mentally to your Apple ID, know the email and password, and make sure two-factor authentication is enabled. It's required for device linking. Make sure both are on the same Wi-Fi network and plugged in if batteries are low, because transfers and verification steps can pause if a device. Now sign into iCloud on both machines and enable the services you want to sync. On the iPhone Open settings, tap your name, then iCloud and toggle contacts, photos, notes, etc. to match what you need on the Mac. On the Mac, open System Settings, choose Apple ID, sign in with the same account, and enable the same iCloud categories. When the Mac requests a verification code, check your iPhone and type the code. This confirms device trust and starts background sync. Finish by verifying the devices appear under your Apple ID on both systems. This shows trust and pairing. If content hasn't appeared, force a sync by toggling the specific iCloud service off. Wait about 10 seconds, then enable it again. Give it a few minutes to propagate. If things still fail, sign out of iCloud on both devices and sign back in, making sure date, time, and Wi-Fi are correct and that you can receive two-factor codes. This typically resolves lingering connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.